Afternoon all. Right, what I'm going to be doing is going to be repurposing my compost from last year in my Quadgrows. Now I have got these are the actual containers, obviously the wicking system at the bottom, but instead of constantly refilling these, which will cost a fair bit of money if you keep on refilling every single year, so all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take these out. I've kept them dry and put this on the floor. All I'm going to do at the moment is just going to break this up. This one's not too bad. This one's not got lots of roots. It has got a few, but not too sure what that was. Whether it was a tomato or a chilli. That one this last year. This one's not too bad. Now all I'm going to do with this is, first of all, get rid of the roots. I'm going to put that in my compost bin with the others that I've been doing. So what I'm going to do to repurpose this one now is, I'm going to get a couple of good scoops of fresh compost. Like so. And I'm going to put a good sprinkling of blood fish and bone. Just give it a bit of a mix up. So this one's not got many roots in this one, so it's not too bad. If you wanted to, you could sieve this, but this is for tomatoes, etc. this year, so no need to sieve it because it's not too bad. We get a few little bits and bobs on it. Now the other thing is, you can put perlite in this, which I will going to do now. And the only thing with perlite is you've got to be very careful not to breathe it in, because it is volcanic rock at the end of the day. I'm just going to put one scoop of perlite in. Ideally wear a mask if you're in a confined area. All I'm going to do with this one now is I'm going to wet the perlite to stop most of the dust. And now you just mix it in. The only thing with wetting the perlite is it does clump up and not separate quite as easy. All I need to do is just mix it up properly. It'll probably more needed more perlite in this one, to be honest, but a little bit is better than none. So now with the wicking system in this, I'm going to try to put it one side and fill the best I can, and then pull the wick the other way, and then fill that like that as well. And there you have it. Repurposed compost, ready for this season. Just another 4 or 5 to go. These are my Quadgrows. I've already done my chili ones, so these ones are at home. I've just got a couple to do with the actual allotment. There you go, short and sweet, but that's how you do it.